Unihack was really great to see so many people giving up their time.
Yeah, Unihack was great. It's good to be in a room full of a bunch of like-minded people.
Unihack was a truly memorable experience.
Quite exciting, a lot of different creative ideas from the various teams.
It was a hub of creativity with really smart software engineers combined with strategists.
Unihack is just amazing. We need more women actually.
I really enjoyed doing the judging this year. It's amazing to see the quality of the entrance and what the actual apps were able to be built in 24 hours.
I like it because we could have a solution for students like in one day. So I think, yeah, all our friends are gonna use it. We didn't want, but we'll try it next time.
Some novel apps, some quite developed user experiences on some of the apps, and some quite complex approaches to how the teams have pulled together some solutions as well.
Well, for me, I would say that the appeal of it was that you get to make something, get to push yourself and see what you can actually crank out in 24 hours, and you push your limits.
Unihack is all about free food, no sleep, and code.
Unihack was a great 24 hours, grueling 24 hours.
Unihack was really fun and I learned a stack.
Unihack was a great experience, everyone involved, so that they hacked on some great apps that I look forward to using.
It's just an amazing level of quality, and it just, to me, it demonstrates why Australia has such a great reputation here and overseas for developing entrepreneurs and great new apps and great tech talent. It's amazing.
It was a lot of fun and I learned a lot. I'm sure my whole team would agree with me on that one.
We invite you next year to join Unihack 2015 because it was a great experience and we were the grand prize winners.
I'll be back next year if you'll have me.
Hey.